Hello, welcome to another exciting, informative, motivating, yet soothing episode of Khwab Zindagi Ke. With me, Shoma, as a host, am welcoming each and everyone who is online right now. And also with me, the guest is Miss Saryu Kalra, who belongs to Delhi. She is a mother of a 6 months, going to be 6 months old, and
Yeah.
she is a software professional who is having her motherhood leave, but she will be joining the offices by next week. So we will love to hear all the things with which she went through, what she did, what was her journey from the COVID. So welcome Saryu Kalra to the show and to all the audience who are right now online and watching us. Hi Saryuji, very good evening to you.
Hi. Hello. Thank you
Hopefully,
so much.
hopefully अभी आपके घर में सब ठीक है. Everything is under control.
Yes, yes.
So shall
Everything
we
everything
begin?
is fine. Yeah.
Shall we begin? Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yes.
please tell us a little bit about yourself.
So as you have already corrected and quoted that I'm a software engineer and I'm loving my job. That's why I'm in my job from last 8 years. And
Wow.
recently I'm a mother of a very beautiful daughter. So she is keeping me on toes, and every day is totally new with her. And at times you think that you have to take care of the baby, but there are many situations, there are many emotions in which baby is taking care of you. And I think daughters have this blessings. So things are very much I would say in place right now. And I'm learning, and every this phase is by far a beautiful one. Let's see what will happen when she start with her crawling and teething and whatnot, all those things.
Hmm.
So things are very much in place right now.
Wow, good to hear that.
Yeah.
So when did you got affected with COVID? Last year
Yeah,
or this?
so last year. So my entire pregnancy was in pandemic time. So
Oh,
it was in last year. So I think lockdown starts from the March, and my pregnancy I think also starts from this March and April time. So my entire journey, I was so skeptical of stepping out, even if, as you know, that there are so many cravings during the pregnancy, but I couldn't curb any of it, because there were theories, there were speculations that this
mhm.
virus could be transmitted from the food or from the
Hmm.
person who is carrying it. So you can't step out. So everything is that you have to be a master chef of your kitchen at home. So at that time my husband helped me a lot. He has
Mhm.
been the anchor of my lifeboat, and
Wow.
he's still helping me in so many things, going
Mhm.
beyond all those patriarchy thinking of our society. He does everything for my daughter, except one thing for which only I'm blessed with. So so yes, my pregnancy was, in my entire pregnancy I think I was very calculative.
Mhm.
I don't even went to my mother place, because I was
Mhm.
afraid, because my father was going somewhere out and my brother is also. So I was so afraid that I might catch coronavirus if I step out. So I met my mother, I think, in my entire pregnancy, I think once or twice only. But
Okay.
despite of being so cautious, despite of taking every step so carefully, this virus found a home in my 36th week. Like I was ninth in my
Oh.
last week, when I think
Mhm.
when there's a nesting phase, every mother is doing all the stuff, buying clothes, preparing the house and all those things. So that was the time. I still remember, I just ordered all the things for my baby, that I would
Online.
start. I would start doing things just to just to
Mhm.
make just to make my baby feel like home. And this I catch cold, so I thought it would be a normal cold, like, because everybody say that in pregnancy there are so many hormonal changes. You go by there, at that time
Correct.
you feel sweaty. You at times you feel
Mhm.
cold. but my cold went for I think 3 or 4 days, and then I have to get this test. And while I'm saying this, I'm getting this goosebumps, because I remember when I looked at my report, it say Vanilla Saryu Kalra, result positive. I was so shattered. Actually, it feels like जैसे होता है ना, एक पजल होती है, वो टूट रही है हल्के हल्के करके, मेरे को ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही थी, बिकॉज
नहीं,
उस टाइम पे इतना ड्रामेटिक हो गया था कि वायरस भी मेरे अंदर है और मेरा बेबी भी मेरे अंदर है. सो आई वाज लाइक क्या होगा, वो कैसे इफेक्ट होगा. सो वो फेज तो मतलब it was really petrified. I would not say that I was too optimistic, too positive at that time. No, I was, most of the time I was upset and I was crying.
yeah,
So
we understand, because going to be a mom, carrying your
yeah,
baby all the time, and the last phase, which was crucial part, and just
yeah,
it's going to happen, and उस time पे ये पता चलना, obviously ये बहुत बड़ा झटका बोलो, अब इसको चाहे फेज बोलो, अब चाहे
mm,
इसको आप कुछ भी बोलो, बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम हम हमें कुछ नहीं पता था. लास्ट टाइम सिर्फ
exactly.
गाड़ियों की आवाज आती थी, करेक्ट.
Mm,
फायर ब्रिगेड, सैनिटाइजिंग व्हीकल्स, पुलिस व्हीकल्स, इनकी आवाज से डर बैठ गया था.
exactly.
तो ऑब्वियसली आपके ऊपर उस टाइम पे क्या गया होगा, ये सोचने वाली बात है. एंड ऑब्वियसली आपके स्पाउस, आपके हस्बैंड ने उस टाइम आपको जरूर एक ऐसे एंकर की तरह संभाला है कि कुछ भी हो जाए, नथिंग विल
Mm,
हैपन टू यू एंड टू आवर बेबी. यही
exactly.
उनका
Exactly.
मोटो था.
राइट
हम्म,
बिल्कुल. सो वो वाला मतलब ऑब्वियसली चाहे वो जितना भी सपोर्टिव हो, बट ही कांट गिव दैट फिजिकल एश्योरेंस टू मी, ही कांट बी वेरी क्लोज टू मी. So I was isolated in one room, and he just stand outside at the gate giving me all the stuff, food, medicines and everything. And um, that at that particular time I felt that why I think I spent most of my 14 days of quarantine in questioning myself, that where I went wrong. I've been doing all those things, I've been taking all those precautions, still I'm stuck with this situation from which I was trying to just to push it around, but still ये कोविड मेरे साथ हो गया. तो वो वाला जो टाइम होता है ना, मतलब मैं आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट पॉजिटिव नहीं होना चाहिए. पॉजिटिव, ऑब्वियसली पॉजिटिविटी इज द क्रक्स एट द एंड. यू कांट, देयर इज नो अदर थिंग. बस वो फेज ऐसा होता है, लगता है कि नहीं भाई मुझे मत समझाओ, मुझे पता है मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है, प्लीज डोंट गिव मी दीज थिंग्स. So rather than, I would say that उस time पे rather than being so cripping about everything, the person should be realistic. और उस रियलिस्टिक में आई थिंक मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि व्हाट शुड आई शुड हैव डन इट. I should have taken care of my baby more. I should have walked around in the room. I should have read about it कि अगर ऐसा हो जाता है तो what are the effects on the baby. Or I should have done different things rather than just sitting on the bed and thinking and looking at the ceiling fan that ये हो गया, अब मेरा क्या होगा. And whether I would go by my birthing plan, जो मैंने अपना birth plan सोचा हुआ था, because वो उस time पे यही norms थे कि if a mother is COVID positive, then the operation or the surgery or whatever, the delivery can't happen in a normal hospital. So my gynecologist, she was going by the norm, but she simply refused that I won't be taking up your delivery if you remain positive. So that was again another shock to me, that why they are not cooperating, that why they are not being with me at this point. What if I get the labor pain at the end days? What would happen? So, but thankfully after 15 days, but my 15 days, because my 15 days was very in a distress mode. So in my last scan, my gynae said that we can't take the normal delivery procedure because the baby is already in distress. And I was coughing constantly, was 10-15 days. So the baby was in a breech position. So they said that we can't do anything and we have to do the delivery right away. So I was totally unprepared. I haven't even packed my hospital bag. I haven't informed anybody कि मेरी अभी डिलीवरी होने वाली है. बस मैं वहां गई थी इवनिंग में, and she said कि हमें अभी डिलीवरी करनी पड़ेगी. तो वो
because of
भी,
your case, because
yes,
the
yes,
distress signal she was getting, and वो भी क्या करे, because as a medical professional she will do what she did, what best for you, right?
exactly, exactly,
But those
exactly.
15 days were very challenging, and with your face we can understand that yes, it was very distressing, very painful for you to accept the thing that you are having
Yes,
COVID and your baby is about to come to the world anytime.
well, exactly, exactly.
Any so
Right, right.
post your delivery, you when you were in the hospital, you I guess your delivery was done in a
No,
COVID.
no. Thankfully, when I went to the hospital for my last scan, on that day my COVID report gets negative. So that's why my gynecologist said that since your report is also negative, so let's get the baby out as soon as possible.
Hmm.
So on 2nd of January, my reports get negative, and on 3rd of January, my daughter just popped out.
Very nice.
Yeah,
And she
yeah,
was absolutely fine.
yeah. She was absolutely fine. In fact,
Mhm.
my doctor was saying that in the last scan, the baby was little distressed because I
Coughing
thought she was very, yeah,
because of the
because
coughing.
I was coughing a lot, so I thought she's very active because I constantly feel movements. I can't sleep at the night.
Mhm.
So I thought the baby is very active, but the doctor said no, the baby is not active. The baby is under the stress. At that time, the baby when she came out, I think she been into a NICU for I think 2 hours only, because doctor said we have to keep her under the observation.
Uh-huh.
And after 2 hours she was perfectly fine. Her all vitals, everything was perfectly like a happy healthy child.
So those 15 days were like God has given you a challenge to understand the
Right,
gift, the scared situation. The situation was so bad. Then God you himself put you through that, but God also helped you to have your baby
right,
safely, right?
right.
After coming back to your home, what all you did, how you went
Obviously
the caring
after,
part.
yeah, after coming back, so there are two things. First, I have just delivered a baby, so there was a because it was a cesarean, the surgery. So obviously the pains and perils of cesarean are I think out of this topic of discussion now. And plus there was recovery from my COVID also, and my body was so weak. I remember that I can't even just move from one side of the bed to the other. So my husband have to keep me up so that I can walk, or I remembered I can't even take my baby in my hand for more than 5 minutes because my back starts hurting a lot. My body was very weak. So my doctor, my gynecologist, she gave me a prescribed diet, that what all I have to take, which includes all those nuts, seeds, eggs, everything related to the high protein diet. I took that, and side by side, obviously, there's a support, there's a love from your family that keeps you
Obviously.
going. Yeah, I think that is the most important thing, because every day is like a new day from you. At night, when you completely stump yourself, कि नहीं मुझसे नहीं होगा, ये क्या हो गया है? But then it's a new day. You have your people, you have your loved ones along yourself. So it just give you a special power. In fact, I remember that I used to say to my mother that how you cope up with 3 kids, taking care of a joint family, and yet
Mm.
I haven't seen you doing saying any complaints or uh, doing anything ki ye kya ho gaya. And I always seen you so happy and so supportive. So then my mama used to say ki when you become a mother, then there's a special superpower that will come into you. So I think that yes, it's actually a power. It's something that which makes you more than ordinary person. That happen.
Obviously, a mother's
Right,
power you only get after you enter in that stage only. Before
right,
that,
right,
I was also not able to understand why my mom does so many things and she never gets tired and she never says that I'm tired. Now I am
right,
able to
right.
understand how she managed. Still, I'm
Hmm.
मैं बहुत दूर हूँ, बहुत उनके आसपास भी नहीं हूँ. The way
Yes,
she
yeah.
managed to do it, एक के बाद एक managed in a very
uh,
calculative way, in a very structured way. I'm not like that.
Hmm.
I'm not at all like that. So yes,
Um,
hats off to our mothers that they were so brave and so structured and so mentally calm.
right, right, right.
Obviously. So right now, what are you doing to take care of yourself? Because obviously, post COVID, there and obvious after getting your negative reports, you went through the cesarean immediately, which
Immediately, right.
is is a big thing. Hats off to your courage, because back to back both things happen. Post
Right,
COVID,
right.
you need at least 15 days of recovery. Correct?
Hmm. Right, right,
Immediately, your doctor went asked you to go for the elective because there was no time left. So,
right.
can you please tell us more about your recovery phase?
I think in my recovery phase,
Mhm.
first of all, I would not say that I would not say that I have taken care of me and my baby all alone. I always have a help. I especially I knew that I need a time for myself, so I kept a complete 24/7 help for myself and for my baby. So she's been there. So there, I think everyone should accept this, that हम सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So it's totally fine if you divide work, if you divide responsibilities with other
That
people.
is correct. That
So
is correct.
राइट राइट सो मतलब मेरे को लग रहा है मैंने शायद एक हफ्ता या आई थिंक 10 days सब कुछ अपने आप करने की कोशिश की थी. फिर देन आई रियलाइज नो माय बॉडी इज नॉट रेडी. एंड दिस इज नॉट द ओनली टाइम व्हेन आई हैव टू शो दैट आई एम अ मदर. I have entire life left where I can show many times that I am a good mother for my daughter. So मैंने उस टाइम पे honestly मैंने उस टाइम पे अपना बहुत ध्यान रखा. मैंने I took my night sleeps. जब मेरे को सिर्फ अपनी बेबी को सिर्फ फीड कराना होता था तब ही मैं उठती थी. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मैं लेटी रहती थी बिकॉज एक तो बिकॉज इंजेक्शन लगता है ऑन योर बैक एपिड्यूरल.
Yes.
एंड अदरवाइज ऑल्सो मेरी प्रेगनेंसी में आई हैड अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ बैक पेन. सो
Okay.
मुझे और ही रेकमेंड किया था दैट यू नीड टू कीप ऑन रेस्टिंग फॉर एटलीस्ट अ मंथ आफ्टर डिलीवरी. सो
Mm-hmm.
एंटायर जनवरी आई थिंक मैं बस लेटी रहती थी. बस मुझे कोई उठा देता था. देन आई गो टू द वॉशरूम एंड आई ईट माय स्टफ एंड आई फीड माय बेबी. सो मैंने अपनी डाइट पे बहुत ध्यान दिया था. आई एवरी डे आई यूज्ड टू टेक 2 eggs बिकॉज एग्स आर वेरी एसेंशियल. हाई प्रोटीन था तो मैंने
Mm-hmm.
एग्स बहुत लिए एंड स्नैक्स वगैरह ये सब चीजें. मतलब मैंने आई जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट आई गिव माई सेल्फ अ प्रायोरिटी honestly. And after that when I started recovering it, so obviously my all time is for my baby. Because
That's
because you
correct.
can't be, yeah, only a happy mother can survive or can thrive for a happy child. If you are not happy, your child cannot be happy. If you are not healthy, your child cannot be healthy.
Correct. Absolutely right. The mother should be
Right,
happy first and happy and
right,
healthy. Then only she
right,
can give ample time to the child, to the family
right,
also. Because if the mother is not well,
right,
then kuch nahi ho sakta. Nothing can
right,
happen. Everything will go topsy and
exactly,
turvy. Right?
right, right, right.
So right now, what precautions you are taking?
Right now, since I have not been vaccinated yet because I'm a lactating mother, and I'm doing my research. There are certain theories which are saying that lactating mothers should get the vaccination, but I'm
Yeah,
still
they can
waiting.
go for.
Yeah, they can, but I'm still waiting so that I can complete my 6 month of tenure of exclusive because my
Okay.
baby is exclusively on my breastfeed.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not yet vaccinated. So still all the precautions, everything is still the same. I'm opting for this double mask, and there's a bottle of sanitizer always at my door, at my main door, and everything, fruits and vegetables, whatever they are coming. So I'm washing it with the edible detergent and everything. So I think I have not left my foot down. I'm doing everything that I used to do in 2020, because in 2020 when the COVID thing was, it was totally new, so everybody was very afraid of this and doing everything.
Yes,
And with
correct.
time things were getting normal because they were saying कि ठीक है हो गया अब क्या होगा. Now we have the antibodies. I know एक बार होने के बाद उसका डर थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. But as I said मैं थोड़ा realistic हो चुकी हूँ कि हाँ ये हो सकता है फिर से. ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई I'm totally immune to
Hey,
it.
this COVID thing happens if you are asymptomatic, you will get uh, free from it within 14 days, the time
Yeah.
span. But if it is affecting severely, that it happened this year because many people were affected with the lung infection. Right now,
Right,
also
right.
people are still inside the hospital. So obviously, we all should take proper care in
Right.
managing this, because कोविड किसी को देख के तो नहीं आता ना, कि आप
Exactly.
मदर हो, फादर हो, लड़की हो, लड़का हो, बूढ़े हो,
Hmm.
जवान हो, बच्चे हो. It is just taking the toll on the human life. Simple as that. So we have
Right.
to be careful, because right now everything is unlocking, and
Right.
people are
Right.
again following the same thing without any protocol and without any proper care. They are doing the same thing,
Exactly.
and which shows that the next stages will be much more dreadful. So we are ourselves responsible for our doing whatever we are doing, right?
Exactly.
So
Right.
right now your
Exactly. Exactly.
family,
It's totally our deeds.
yeah, it's our
Right.
own responsibility to take care of
Right.
the
Right.
simple things. What we are supposed to do, just wearing mask, simple, हम वो भी करने को तैयार नहीं है.
Exactly.
So
Right.
it
Right.
just showing our negligency, na? And then we will yell that we are not getting this, we are not getting that, and nobody is taken care of, and the system is lacking behind. But responsible हम हैं.
Exactly.
No one is responsible, na? हमारी life है. It's our life. It's our journey.
Exactly. Yeah.
Just like you said that those 14 days were very
Exactly.
challenging and very crucial for you, because you have taken ample protection towards the end of
Right.
the journey of your pregnancy. You got infected, but maybe it should have happened in between, in the earlier stage.
Exactly.
Correct na? So your doctor
Exactly.
was
Yeah. Yeah.
correctly
They.
prescribing you everything, and you followed that.
Hmm.
But still, I guess
Right. Right.
one thing was there which kept you on your toes, is your inner power to
Right.
save your daughter, to save your baby. Correct?
Exactly. Exactly.
Your
That
inner
is that.
power
That is it.
made you flow. हो जाएगा. Okay, fine. I'm infected, but yes, I'll do it. Right?
Yeah. Right. Right.
How's
So
your feeling?
वही ये वही जो वो इनर पावर होती है ना, मैं वही वो इनर पावर भी ऐसा नहीं कि भाई it's always full and charged. No, there are days when it's completely exhausted. ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं है वो इनर पावर, बट अगेन वो फिर खुद ही आपको करना पड़ता है कि नहीं, एटलीस्ट आई एम बेटर देन ऑल दोस थिंग्स जो दूसरी फैमिलीज में हुआ है. चलो ठीक है, आई एम स्टिल एबल टू डू ऑल दोस थिंग्स, क्योंकि इतने सिम्टम्स मेरा मेन था कि मुझे सिर्फ कफिंग बहुत ज्यादा हुई थी, एंड
Okay.
बाकी इतने सिम्टम्स नहीं थे, एंड आई हर्ड दैट लोगों को इतना कुछ हुआ है. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि दैट वी हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम अदर पीपल प्रॉब्लम्स एंड अदर पीपल पेन्स एंड पेरिल्स, बट हाँ, यू हैव टू गेट दिस पावर फॉर योरसेल्फ कि चलो अच्छा ठीक है, ये हो गया है ना मेरे साथ, नाउ व्हाट नेक्स्ट. I cannot sit with this problem कि ये ही क्यों हो गया मेरे साथ. You have to live with it. You have to take each and every day as a new day. And definitely, as I said, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. There can't be a
Correct.
complete dark one night or complete bright Sunday. It's not possible. There are days and night both, and that is giving the best example कि हाँ, वो जो कहते हैं कि ये वक्त यूं ही गुजर जाएगा, चाहे वो अच्छा टाइम
हम्म.
हो चाहे वो बुरा टाइम हो, गुजर जाना ही है इसको तो. So बस
वाह,
let's
बहुत
just
अच्छा
be
कहा.
realistic.
बहुत ही अच्छा
Yeah.
कहा आपने कि ये वक्त है जो गुजर गया, जो गुजर जाएगा.
Hmm.
आखिर में
Right,
तो हमें
right.
रोशनी तो दिखाई पड़ेगी ना. है तो उस रोशनी को देखने की कोशिश करनी
Exactly.
चाहिए, बजाय एकदम से रुक जाए, हम अपने कार्ड्स डाउन कर दे, अपने आप को छोड़ दे. नहीं, वी हैव
Exactly.
टू गेट अप
Exactly.
एंड वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर आवरसेल्फ.
Right, right,
करेक्ट.
right. Exactly.
सरयू, कुछ और बताना चाहेंगी लास्ट में आप? अभी कैसा आप
I
फील कर रहे हो?
अभी मतलब अभी ऑब्वियसली वो ये फीलिंग तो आती रहती है, क्योंकि जब भी किसी भी मैं प्रेग्नेंट लेडी को मतलब इसकी बातें सुनती हूँ, पता चलता है इसका ये केस हुआ है, तो फिर लगता है कि हाँ, आई नो व्हाट इट फील्स लाइक. तो अभी मैं इसको एक लर्निंग और एक लेसन अपनी लाइफ का लेके चलती हूँ कि हम हर चीज की प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं, हम हर चीज के लिए प्लान आउट कर सकते हैं, बट एट द एंड क्या होगा उसके लिए वो अनसर्टेन ही रहती हैं चीजें. सो लेट्स नॉट थिंक अबाउट टू गुड थिंग्स और टू बैड थिंग्स, कि बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा, बहुत बुरा हो जाएगा, उस तरीके से अपना माइंड नहीं रखना चाहिए। वो कहते हैं कि भाई बस डोंट एक्सपेक्ट टू मच। I just this is my motto that हाँ, you keep your work, you do all your precautions, you be all careful and everything, but हाँ, आपको मतलब इतना ज्यादा किसी चीज के ऊपर मैं डोंट dwell more on it। मतलब मैंने तो अपने लिए यही सीखा है।
Wonderful, wonderful. We
Thank
really,
you.
really appreciate your thought. He just accepted the way it is. Don't be
Exactly. Right,
overexcited. Don't be over scared. Don't do over.
right,
Just
right,
be with
right,
it.
right.
कुछ
I think
बातें
you have
आपने
correctly put it. You have correctly put it the right words. Accept it as is.
accept the way as it is. Simple
Right,
as that.
right,
There is no other way out. आप
right.
चिल्लाओगे चीखोगे कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, रोगे परेशान होगे, बट
Hmm.
लास्टली आप ही हो जो इसमें से खुद को निकाल सकते हो।
True,
करेक्ट।
true. Bilkul, bilkul. Very rightly said.
So Saryu ji, thank you so much for joining us on the show live and sharing about your journey, which was really very different. As a pandemic fighter, 27th family, I heard many experiences, but this experience of a mother, expecting mother who got infected during her towards the last of her pregnancy, and she fought with it very well. She just made up her mind that accepting it is the best thing, rather than
Right,
say, rather than cursing herself.
right.
Seriously, hats off to you. Get
Thank
well
you.
soon. Wish you
Thank you
good
so
luck
much.
to you and all the health and best wishes to your daughter.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so much
much.
for joining on this show with me, Shoma, as a host on Khwab Zindagi Ke platform. We all wish you good luck and health from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Shoma. And I'm really grateful that you have given me this platform. And I just hope that at least a one person or a two-person, I could make a difference if that person listened to my experience and my story. It would
Definitely, we
be
will make sure that your story will be heard by all the mothers, especially the mothers, so that they can be more motivated.
thank you.
Surely.
Thank you so much. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Good day.
Thanks. Thank you. Same to you.